You know it's ecstatic. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing, but we bring the vibes, you see? So I have to big up everybody over there first of all. Master Bros, Nero, our General. Yeah, I mean I say everybody, you see me? DJ Smokey Million. Right there, so just drop it trap my General, because I don't know me come to talk to the girl them. Right there, so change up the swag a bit. No. Listen. Every gal is, yo. Get gal and make money and me a be. Thump up them gal body like Mohammed Ali. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Listen me. Yeah, let me tell you this. If you are no gal, so get beat bad. Pretty sexy girl and my type, I do keypad. No boy can't manage a tick as back weak bad. Man a fear teach, make them learn. Leapfrog from she get the real card. Praise me like a Greek god. Stab up the meat bad. She love how GG swag. Cologne a kick like sneakers. Girl a give me ticky like Nike and stripe like Adidas. No boy girl a check the dan. Me shift the sexy tongue. Plug in like electrician. Rev it like a Christmas sun. Touch girl good. Use the lyrics, make me song. Me convert to lesbian. Me a the girl them leprechaun. You bad like go-go one penny pole. Underneath a good like gold. Deal with the best like cinnamon roll. I know crap alone live in a wall. Touch you like me escape from prison and never get parole. Breathless like me take your soul. Come on a bedroom bully, not just today. From see me, give me, start work. No say them a gal is but we are on the turf. Cause it's not about the amount of gal how you do the work. Bully, not just today. From birth, see me, give me, start work. No say them a gal is but we are on the turf. It's not about the amount of. Listen me. Now say me never broke down on a girl yet, but me know fi redeem myself. Guineas and oats and peanut. She get lean up when man a beat to the belt. She run to the door, can't get no help. Hard stabbing, make she a melt. Turn it up, make the fire start. You know what I say so? Listen me, gyal a ball, gyal a beg, on the floor, on the bed, on the tip, on the edge, gyal a plead, gyal a pledge, gyal a run to the door, can't find the key and nothing take the sledge. She say me sweeter than a nothing make bully, not just today. From birth, see me, she want give me, start work. No say them a gyal is but how we are on the turf. Not about the amount of gyal, how you do the work, man. Listen, ecstatic.
Listen, big up yourself, my G. You know, we're going to have everybody moving right now. May I tell you the whole place? So you're excited. Hey, today, Boulay, here's Boulay. All right, moving on to our judges right now. Nero Balisha, what you think about his performance just now? Ecstatic.
Ecstatic always doing thing in sense of him energy always up as if him perform for a live audience outside of like the arena said way. Zine. But that song, I never dare hear some of the lyrics them. That still don't mean nothing still because me hear majority out already. I was a fast part and they're going to a fast part now. I'm like breath around out and thing. You see me? But I know it go. It happened to me too. See? But with that said, still me give him an 8. You know what I mean? But in delivery, everything for me alright on point.
Pick up Nero, you mean Bruce?
Yeah man, ecstatic. You step it up a level a week. You understand what I say? Yeah man, song well potent, full of lyrics. I don't know so much lyrics all in a one song, you understand? Remind me of one Jamaican version of Eminem. Yeah man, so you have to get a 10 for that. Is what I say? Wicked piece of effort to push out today. Energy high.
Alright, big up yourself, my boss. Hey, the one there remind me of one of the Vibes Cartel song them. Hey, the original Galist. Yeah. Our General.
Yeah, yo boss. Big up yourself, $1 million voice. Bados. Ecstatic, bad artist. You see me I deal with? Yeah, song. Wicked song, you see me? Galist song, you know. We read the lyrics in the song, you see me? But me think it shouldn't be delivered better. As how me know Ecstatic as a bad artist, I've seen him delivered much better on this platform numerous amount of times. This is one of the worst deliverance from Ecstatic because the rhythm itself from him start, him have even when him start him half the rhythm, him have to say turn it up if you don't dare pay attention, he overs and then him catch back the rhythm. He overs what me I deal with. So me think it should have just delivered better. You see me? But the lyrics are chopped, so 7 same way, you see me?
Alright, thank you for that, our General 100% talent Jamaica moving on to another level. Ecstatic, big up yourself.